Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and we are taste testing a seedling mango today. It has no name. It was brought to us by a friend of ours that Muazz, who it grows near here, but pretty sure he said it was a seedling tree.
Yeah.
And so we know nothing about it. We're going to give it a try. Seedlings can be very it's a wide variety of what a seedling can be. A lot of them are really terrible, but you can also get a really cool new variety. Now, this is jelly seeded on this side. This side had a bruise. I think it's probably, we might want to, well, let's see, we can, I'm going to try to avoid that because you don't get it with the jelly seeded parts. You don't get a good indicator of what it's really like. All right. It's actually got some really good stuff going on there.
It does. Because initially it had like a little bit of citrus, but then there was like some coconut classic like flavor.
It's got some resin. It's got some.
Yeah.
That's a primary. Let's try the other side because I think the other side was the non-bruised side.
And so there were 3 seedling trees from what Muazz told us that they thought were good. So we have all 3 fruits, one from each tree to try. This one is the prettiest fruit too.
No, I thought this wasn't going to be ripe because it's still pretty hard, but he said don't wait too long, so we went ahead and tried it, and sure enough.
Which one was this again? 3?
This was M3, he called it, which is just probably means the 3rd tree in the line. That's good.
Yeah.
It's got very juicy. It's fiberless.
You don't think it has a tiny bit of fiber?
Maybe a little, but it's very mango-y. I mean, it's very
a lot of classic
mango.
flavor.
Just a little bit of resinous flavor, but not much. No chalkiness. Very juicy. It's not boring. It's not
washed out or anything. Those are beautiful mango.
Yeah, so it was very pretty. Didn't probably show you. It had a lot of
Probably
color
should have gotten
to
a
it.
picture.
So I'm wondering what it's like. I mean, you could probably figure out what this is a seedling of, maybe, but I don't know.
I don't know. It also has hints of like coconut and a little bit of citrus, but
I'll try a little bit of this mushy part here. I'm not gonna.
I would plant a tree of this.
Yeah, I think I would too.
Because I'm assuming like these trees don't get sprayed or anything like that, and it's
Yeah, he was saying they
just beautiful.
There was a guy who planted these years ago, but he passed away, and so nobody's really been taking care of them, and they're still doing really well. So. I got some jelly seed in there. Jelly seed doesn't taste good in this one. Or most of them.
That's good.
But that's good, yeah. I don't know what to compare it to. Let me think.
I'm assuming too Muazz is going to end up grafting some of these trees, but I would definitely
Yeah,
want to buy one of these.
That's worth naming. I mean, that's a seedling that's definitely worth giving it a name, and it's nothing. There's no flavors in there that are absolutely unique that I've never had before, but it's a really well balanced mango that's got sweetness, a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of resin, just in small amounts. But
and then like the leftover flavor is more that coconut mango flavor. I think that it kind of leaves you with.
But yeah, that's a very good mango. I didn't get to eat much of it because it was bruised on one side pretty badly, and so this is all jelly seeded here, and the jelly seeded part doesn't taste good. But let me try here near the skin to see what we get. really good. I don't know. I just don't know what to compare that to. It's very, maybe kind of like a spicy fruit punch. No.
There's no spiciness in here.
Well, not. I know to me the resin and the spiciness kind of fall in the same.
I didn't get a lot of resin. Only like
I
one
didn't
bite
get
had
much,
slip.
but I mean, it's that's the thing is if you eat a Glen is zero resin. It's just there's nothing there at all. Lemon meringue is absolutely zero resin. Just have just a little bit, and that's good because it gives it a more complex flavor. But I mean, it's not like a odorata. It's just pine resin explosion. I'm looking forward to them this year. But I don't know why that's good. It sounds terrible. Anyway, this one's very good. It doesn't have a name. It's a seedling, but excellent mango doesn't have a name. So, but I would give that. I don't know. It'd be hard because I didn't get a really full, good sample of it. But that could be a 9.
Yeah.
So anyway, if we find out more, we'll let you know more. Do another video on it and find out if they're available. Maybe if he's got some to sell. Then,
He grabs a lot of different trees. So I don't know like how he's selling stuff. I know he sold stuff at the Manatee Rare Fruit Council sale, so I imagine he might have some of these if he grabs them at that sale next May.
But if you do run into him, and it's one he called M3.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right.
Good.
Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.